Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see deposit history on Binance app. It's really simple and easy. Open up the Binance application in your mobile and make sure to log into your account. Now tap on this add funds button in the top right corner. Then tap on this deposit crypto. Once done, you will be able to see all of the cryptos that are available on Binance. Among this list, you will have to select that particular crypto, the deposit history of which you want to get. If you are not able to find your desired coin in this list, then you can even use the search bar at the top and then you just have to tap on the name. Afterwards, you need to tap on the coin and then it will show you to choose the network. But over here, you need to tap on this cross button and then you can see this little icon in the top right corner. Just simply tap on it and you will see all of your history here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.